All righty, here's number three, specialization. Now, everybody wants to specialize in everything. Folks, it goes back to number one, clarity. You got to be clear on the type of client you want coming in. Now, I do feel like the idea of one specialization area is not enough. As a medical tax professional, because there's such a great need out there, you need to look at having maybe two or three areas of specialization. Now, that doesn't mean if you pick two or three areas of specialization, let's say you do total joints, you do spine, maybe you do stroke. That doesn't mean you can't see a client with Parkinson's. Doesn't mean you can't see a client with an ACL tear. What it does mean, though, is those three areas that you've picked, you are an expert at, and more importantly, you are going to produce outcomes for clients that come in with those conditions, regardless of how involved they are, you can still produce outcomes. That now allows you to go back to the medical community, develop better relationships. That allows you now to market better. So specializations is important, vitally important. And with the specialization doesn't mean you're going to turn away anyone. And I think with specializations, what we've seen over the last 30 years, when you pick two or three areas of specialization, it heightens your understanding of the human body, the way it moves, and how exercise can be applied to produce positive functional outcomes. But with that, even those areas that you don't specialize in, just that greater understanding allows you to produce even outcomes in those areas. So I urge you, look at the idea of specializing in certain areas. We'll even help you with that in our medical exercise specialist business success path coaching programs to help you select the areas that you've produced the best outcomes in, that are best suited for you and your skill set, as well as help you find workshops in those areas. So let me tell you a little bit more about our MES business success path.